Watching ads on this website can be quite the money-making adventure if you follow a simple process. It all starts with a single click, and your earnings grow with each ad you watch. The first ad will pocket you 30 cents, the second 54 cents, and the third 62 cents, with the potential for even more as you keep watching. Sound interesting? Now, the great thing about this is that this method works for people all around the world. Whether you're in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, India, the Philippines, or anywhere else really. Welcome back to the Quick Cash Chronicles, the channel where we're diving deep into the world of making money, saving money, and everything in between. You're in the right place if you're looking for smart financial tips, creative side hustles, investment insights, and ways to turbocharge your financial journey. Join us on this exciting adventure as we explore the strategies, stories, and secrets behind achieving financial freedom and living life on your terms. Let's make every penny count together. There's a clever trick demonstrated in a video that can help you earn an impressive $2.49 every minute, and it's available to everyone, no matter where you are. Now, before we reveal the name of the website responsible for this financial opportunity, let's dive into how the platform actually works. This website lets you watch brand advertisements which, interestingly, are essentially Google ads. However, the opportunity to earn doesn't stop there. You can boost your income by referring others to the site. For each person who joins using a referral link, you'll earn a generous $5. Once your account balance reaches the minimum threshold, you can transfer the funds to your PayPal account or choose from various other withdrawal options offered on the site. Many brands have partnered with this platform to bring you fresh Google website ads daily. You can learn more about the website by clicking on the About Us section at the bottom of the site, or you can jump right in by clicking Sign Up Now. After signing up, your dashboard will show a $10 sign-up bonus in your account, a great way to get started. Now, let's explore how you can maximize your earnings further. Scroll down your dashboard to find 5 ads available for viewing. The first ad will reward you with 54 cents. To watch it, click Complete, which will open another tab. Close the tab and click Complete again. You'll then be directed to a Google search engine page with an ad. A countdown will then begin at 35 seconds. Use this time to scroll through the ad until the countdown reaches 0. At that point, the skip button appears in the top right corner, which you can click to return your dashboard with an additional 57 cents in your account. Repeat this process for the remaining 4 ads on your screen, each with its own reward. However, you'll notice that there's a limit of 5 videos you can watch within a 24-hour period. And then, the first ad you watched will only become available again after 24 hours. But don't worry, we have a solution for you to continue making $2.49 every minute consistently. Now, before we reveal that secret, please support us by liking this video and leaving a comment with your current location. This interaction will help us create more content tailored to your needs. Now, for the ultimate earnings strategy. Step 2 involves creating multiple accounts on the website. Each account can potentially earn you $2.49 per minute. So imagine having 5 to 10 accounts. The numbers add up quickly. With 10 accounts, you can easily accumulate $24.90 in just a few minutes. Now, creating multiple accounts isn't something to worry about because it doesn't require a bunch of email addresses. We have a bonus tip to make this process simpler. First off, you'd want to log out of your current account, and after that, click Sign Up again to create a new account. When prompted for an email address, head over to tempmail.org, a platform that provides unlimited temporary email addresses for free. After that, copy the temporary email address from there and paste it into the sign-up form, remembering your server number. Check the box and click Sign Up to create a brand new account. To add even more accounts, return to tempmail.org and obtain another temporary email address, making sure to save the previous ones for future use. With this method, you can easily create 10 to 20 accounts for free. Alright, you'd think the journey has ended, but no. It's just begun. It doesn't end here. Step 3 reveals how you can achieve $700 in pure passive income. Head to your dashboard, locate Invite Earnings under My Account, and discover that for every referral who signs up using your link, you'll earn $5 while your referral receives a $10 sign-up bonus. Share your referral link with friends and family to start making money effortlessly. Now, let's talk about the platform itself. The platform responsible for this incredible opportunity is cashbib.com. In an era where online work opportunities abound, the potential to earn is limitless. But that's not all. We have a secret bonus trick to help you gather thousands of online referrals, catapulting your earnings to $700 a day in passive income. To embark on this journey, open your Facebook account and search for Make Money Online. And then after that, select the Groups option, specifically focusing on public groups. Public groups are open to anyone, making it easy to join. Within these groups, you can post about your money-making opportunity, drawing interested individuals to your referral link. You can also post on the groups, emphasizing that you earned money through the site by watching ads. Encourage people to comment for more information. You should also include an image that showcases payment proof from cashbib.com. By following this approach, you can attract potential referrals who, when added up, could bring you an impressive $700 a day. In the initial stages, aim to have 10 to 30 people sign up daily, resulting in monthly earnings from $1,500 to $4,500 from simple Facebook posts. To withdraw your earnings from cashbib.com, navigate to your dashboard and click Withdrawal. Cashbib.com offers multiple withdrawal options including PayPal, Skrill, Payeer, Western Union, and Google Play gift cards. Each method has a minimum withdrawal limit of $70, and you can withdraw up to $100 in a day. Earning $70 is easily achievable when you consistently follow the methods outlined in this video. If you're eager to see proof of withdrawal from this website, help us reach over 1,000 likes on this video. Thanks for tuning in to the Quick Cash Chronicles. We hope you found today's content valuable and inspiring. If you want to continue your journey towards financial success and explore more money-making tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.